Why do peace remain elusive in eastern DRC? Despite multiple ceasefires, conflict rages on. Today, we break down what's really going wrong for peace, for people, and for international stability. The M23 is a rebel group mostly comprised of Congolese Tutsis. The three emerged strongly in 2022, accusing the DRC government of failing to uphold earlier peace deals, discriminating against certain groups, and not integrating Tutsi communities into the security apparatus. Key recent events: June 27, 2025, US brokered agreement between DRC and Rwanda in Washington. Commitments to stop hostilities, respect territorial integrity, ending support to armed groups, including July 19, 2025, ceasefire deal in Doha between DRC government and M23, mediated by Qatar. What's blocking peace? Trust and implementation gap. Agreements are signed, but terms are not implemented. Delays in disarmament, troop withdrawal, or release of prisoners. M23 claims the DRC government continues military operations in areas. Government accuses M23 of violating ceasefire. External involvement and accusations. Rwanda is accused of backing M23 militarily, logistically. This raises questions about sovereignty, proxy warfare, and complicates negotiations. Rwanda denies formal involvement. Complex regional and ethnic dynamics. Tensions over citizenship, ethnic identity, historical grievances. M23 sees unfulfilled promises. Local scope between groups, humanitarian cost is massive. Resource competition. Eastern DRC is rich in minerals. Illicit trade has been a major source of funding for armed groups. Deals often include clauses for economic integration and reforms in mineral trade, but enforcement is weak. Why this matters? Humanitarian crisis. Thousands dead, millions displaced. Civilians suffering from violence, disease, disruption of livelihoods. Geostrategic importance. Stability in eastern DRC matters for regional security in Great Lakes region. Fear of spillover, roles of Rwanda, Uganda, UN, US diplomatic leverage. What changes are needed? Stronger verification mechanism. Independent monitors, transparent reporting, credible data on ceasefire violations, accountability ensuring parties are held responsible for breaking the agreements. Example: sanctions, diplomatic pressure, address root causes, citizenship, ethnic discrimination, governance, fair resource sharing, regional cooperation. DRC, Rwanda neighbors need meaningful collaboration, possibly via AU or ICGLR to ensure external actors and not proxies. Peace in eastern DRC isn't impossible, but it won't come from declarations alone. It needs trust, action, accountability,